and the subject that we're going to talk about today. You could talk for hours on it.
Yeah.
And it's not about that, it's just giving people a flavour, 5 quick wins really that they can use to actually improve things within their business. Credit terms. That is the amount of money that a supplier or a supplier will give you in terms of how much credit they can give you, how much they'll trade with you before they need a payment. And likewise, credit is how much you will extend to your customers. How long is it? How long will it be before you want to get a payment off customers? Yes, people are awful at this. They go along, they make the sale, it's wonderful, it's marvellous, but your sale isn't a sale until you've got your money in. And a lot of times people won't chase the debt, they'll send it out, and then, most people will pay on time, in with the credit terms, and they'll be wonderful and marvellous, but there'll always be somebody that wants to push the limit. And really, just quickly, you should be sending out statements, following up that with letters, and actually following it up with phone calls as well. But on your phone calls, be specific. So if somebody's saying, I'll use the word check, but if somebody's going to send you a check or send you a payment, when are they going to send it? And when is it going to arrive in your bank account? And it used to be with the checks, is that going out first class post? And is the person in there to sign the check? It's all about finding out about your customers' payment terms and how they pay and how easy it is for them to pay you. Yes, likewise, it's with the credit control, it's the reverse. Right, if you want to pay your suppliers and keep your suppliers happy, you need to make sure you've got the cash coming into your business to allow you to do that. A lot of people will turn around and they'll go, yeah, well, we can stretch them out if we push this person and push this person and push this person. It's great because it keeps money in your bank, but the thing is, it annoys your suppliers and they'll deal with somebody else rather than deal with you. Whereas if you treat your suppliers the same as you expect your customers to deal with you, you'll have a much better relationship with them. And just recently in COVID, one of my clients actually paid their suppliers upfront before they got the product. And in that period, it actually helped them to maintain supplies within their business and help their business sail through COVID. It's simple things like that sometimes people miss. Yes, this is something that people need to look at, because sometimes if you're a manufacturing company, week 1, the products, the bits come in for you to manufacture. Week 2, you're manufacturing your products. Week 3, you're manufacturing your products. Week 4, they've got to go into the delivery cycle. So you could be sort of 60, 90 days before you're actually making the sale. And you need to make sure you've got the cash within your business and looking at funding your business for 60, 90 days, because on top of that, you're then going to probably get another 30 or 90 days on top of that, or sorry, 30, 60, 90 days on top of that. So it could be 6 months down the road before the first point at which the goods came in to the point at which your cash comes in. So you do need to be careful when you're planning from a cash point of view how long your credit cycle is and work on that. Yes, this is the tricky one, because if you're getting 30-day terms off your suppliers, but then you're giving 60-day terms to your customers, you've got a shortfall of 30 days because you're having to pay your money out before your money comes in. And so again, it's all about planning, which is fine if that's what it needs to happen. But just bear in mind that you can have that shortfall in your cash flow, and you need to look at it from a planning perspective. Or you change your terms and push your suppliers for 60-day payment terms and hope that the two then match up. This is always the difficult one. Make it so that it's easy for people to do business with you. It's easy for them to pay. Is it easy on your website? You they pay all of the things and they can get to the checkout very easily. And also, what facilities do you give your customers? Can they pay by cheque? Can they pay by credit card? Can they pay by backs? Can they do internet banking transfers to you? And just how easy and how many options can you offer to your clients to make it easy for them to pay you? Because if it's easy for them to pay you, they'll pay you quickly. Okay, if you want to get in touch with us and find out more about this or book a meeting with me, then you can either call our main number, which is 024 7634 9192, or you can send an email to claire@sheridanaccounting.co.uk, or you can sign up to our newsletter, which contains the handy hints that we've given here today in this video.